What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm just about to go for a quick little run down Deansgate in this gorgeous jet blue Audi R8. Just a quick little video, we'll be maybe doing a more in-depth video with this in the future, but we've not got too much time today. But yeah, this thing looks absolutely beautiful, sounds amazing as well. Should also point out as well that this one's a manual. It's only the second ever manual R8 that I've been in a manual V10 before, but this is the first manual V8 I've been in. This is sort of like the OG spec R8, so yeah, looking forward to this, should be good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Can't believe how sideways it gets.
Doesn't feel four-wheel drive, does it?
No, it don't.
Tyres are cold.
Yeah. Sounds amazing.
It echoes off the buildings nicely, doesn't it?
It's such a good sounding engine.
And then it's a different sound with the windows up. It's more like a... sounds a bit like a jet.
Oh yeah, it's got like a whine to it.
It has got a whine, hasn't it? Yeah.
Almost sounds supercharged.
Yeah, it does a bit, doesn't it? But with an exhaust, it would just transform.
Oh yeah.
Totally transform it. Because it almost like it's got potential, but it's just holding it back, isn't it?
Even as standard though, it sounds...
Well, I've disconnected the valve, so
right,
it's always open. That
yeah.
was one thing I have done.
Can't believe how sideways it gets.
I'm getting new tyres next week, so I might as well absolutely destroy these ones first.
Yeah, the manual looks quite satisfying to use as well.
But it is. Go on, go into second now.
Nice.
And you can sort of rev match it beautifully as well.
Got an Aventador, yeah? Still nice.
I saw a Veyron parked up here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Black and white one.
Oh, 720S down there.
As well, yeah.
Yeah.
God, they're all out today. And this is the button that gives me... This is what I call flex mode. So that's
for the spoiler.
Flex mode, yeah. There you go. Never fails to amuse me. Oh.
Bentley that.
We'll go for a loop up here as well.
Yeah,
we go round,
yeah.
And then back through the tunnel.
Rev matches sound good.
He lives in Beetham.
Yeah, I've been in a manual V10, that were good.
Was that the one that was tuned to like 800 horsepower or something?
No, that was a newer one. The newer one I've been in, that was supercharged, 830 horsepower.
Is that the quickest thing you've been in?
Yeah.
Did he properly open it up as well?
He couldn't open it up too much, but you could sort of get a feel for, you know,
yeah. I mean, 800 horsepower would be pretty much unusable. Like, this is half that. It still spins
you
on
can
wheels.
still.
That Prius go ahead.
It's like some say like, oh, it's only 420 horsepower, but it's enough to have fun with.